So how's it going, bro? Like, you know,
We're just chilling here in Thailand, living my best life. Last night, went a bit of clubbing, but here I am, touching animals.
then we woke up to a feast.
Yeah,
We woke up
a good Thai food.
yo.
Feet off. So in Africa, we've got bigger elephants
Than this.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I figured.
We breed these small elephants compared to the ones we have, bro.
Yeah.
Ours is like big, bro.
How big, bro? Like to that tree branch over there.
I would say.
Let's go chill with the.
Are we going to this one?
This one's hungry, dog. This one's hungry.
He's just tapping this, bro.
Let's sign your name on there, bro.
Okay. Yeah, nice, bro. Well done.
That's all you get from me. That's all you get from me, dog. What are you gonna do? You see your signature? Carol. Mad love. Mad love. Let's see how good you can wash.
Come on. No.
You mustn't wash me. You look like you're working at a car wash.
Yo, what's up, Big O is in the house.
Bro, he was brushing, bro. You love the music, bro.
That is good music.
Never understood the things you used to say. Want me in your life, ask me to stay. Thought you were the one, but it's okay. Used to tell me that you love me, that was fake. I know you think I don't, but I know. You think I don't, but I know. I found other options, baby, I found other options. You were only with me then cause I was poppin'.
Veggie lime, spoon fast sour got you blind. Your feelings will change once you see me in my prime. My body sway side to side, they go ay ay ay. Came here with your girls, what you wanna leave is mine. Damn, you moving slime, all I ask is why. Back when I made beeping, you did not wanna reply. Hit 100,000 with my family poppin' wine. You hate being sober cause you finally see your lies. I see it all the time. Now I'm getting shy. You be switching sides, but you out of time, baby. You out of time.
Never understood the things you used to say.
Everything here is so hilly.
Because you're in the mountain.
Come here, I'll be fit.
Yeah.
In the damn roads, like I can't even like sit straight. I don't have no seatbelt.
Now you understand why I say God damn. What is that?
So she says,
Say hello to the camera.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Jimmy. Supika. Supika is my Thai name.
How's everything going? You enjoying life?
Really good. I'm living my best life.
Living your best life. So we met her when did we meet her? First night? We met her on first night. And she's taking us everywhere, you know, like she's been real cool. She has her own car. Just chilling, vibes. Play a little music. Track we're gonna play next. I don't know if they know about this out here. They switch. Oh, this in Thailand is crazy. This trip is probably one of the best of a lifetime already. Never forget this place. It's amazing. Definitely should have spent more time. What I know now is definitely gonna help me for the future. We're gonna definitely come back, and yeah. But look at the views, man.